This is CAT S75, and today I would like to show how you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So to start, we will need to launch settings and enable the developer options section. So in order to make the developer settings visible, you will need to enter system category, or about phone category, and then continuously tap at the build number spec until you will receive "You are now a developer" message. Then get back to the main settings menu, enter system, and here are the developer options. So open the developer options page, and at the memory section you can see how much total RAM you have, as well as some other useful specifications and, well, data. In my case, as you can see, the amount of RAM is almost 6 gigabytes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.